So the interior of my Pontiac is kind of like blue colour. Or is it black? Do you see where I'm going with this? The previous owner has started changing the colour. You can see he's done a great job with some of it. So the purpose of this video, I am going to show you how to change the colour of your interior. I will be doing this door card, the driver's door card, which is in 2 pieces. And I shall be using Rust-Oleum direct-to-vinyl paint. I have already done the door cards for the passenger side. Do all the prep work, paint this, and to save having to wait around for the paint to dry, show you the finished article with the side I've already done. Here's what I did earlier, kind of thing. Take these door cards off and give them a damn good clean. Right, these are all now wiped down, cleaned. I didn't pay too much attention to this section here because someone's done a really poor job at cutting out door speakers, but I want to put car speakers in there anyway, and then I want to cover this whole bottom section with some material. It looks like it already has done in the past, so this one made the biggest difference. This was really grubby. This side will need a bit of masking up. So we've got, again, the material in the middle here, which I'm sure has been painted. I think that's why on that one there were some run marks from some poor paint. You can see little spots of it there as well. I think that's from when they've tried to change the colour of this. But yeah, I need to mask up around the edge here, and on the top here we've got this bit of trim and felt. I need to mask that up, and the hole for the door pin. So I shall do that now, and then we shall get to painting. Right, so the easiest way I found doing this is to go over the line that you want to mask up. So it's a little bit easier to see at the bottom here. That's kind of where you want to go to. You see I've overlapped. So I've then gone through with my nail just to make a little groove. I'm going to use a nice sharp blade and just gently follow the line around. Come around with a knife, and now comes the really fun bit. Now that we've got this nice edge all along here, I'm just going to run my nail around actually, just to make sure it's all tucked down nicely. And yeah, next bit is the painting. So like I said, I've got this paint. This is on Amazon actually, and I've been pretty impressed with it. The bits I've already painted have come out really, really nice. So just move that one out of the way. As with all paints, if you're going to do any kind of painting, best thing to do is nice light even coat to start with. Let that sort of dry and then build the layers up. I think I did about 4 layers on the other pieces, so it should make the car look much, much nicer. Right, now I've got these light coatings done. I'm going to give it probably about 5 minutes for that just to sort of dry, go a bit tacky, and I'll come back, build the layers up, and the finished article looks like this. There we go. Nice shiny finished article. I'm not going to touch it because it's still a little bit wet. Like I said, I haven't bothered with this middle section because I'm going to put some trim over that. But yeah, nice finish. And that's on plastic. That panel is plastic. That's the lower panel. The upper panel is vinyl, so I'll just show you that as well. Yeah, this one comes up much shinier. It does go a little bit flatter when it's done, which I can show you now because I've already done the passenger side. So this is what they will look like when they're all done and dried. And these ones are a bit dusty, but you can see you can rub them and the paint doesn't come off at all. This is the bit the chrome trim was on. That's all fine. Yeah, so that's again the vinyl. This is on the plastic. And again, it's a bit dusty. It's been sat in the workshop for a couple of weeks. If you want to change the colour of your interior, it really is that easy. Just to give you an idea, those pieces and those pieces used one can. I had to buy a new can to do these two. So if you're going to do a whole car, probably need another can for the trim around the rear window. So expect 3 to 4 cans, but you can totally transform the interior of your car. I still have the headlining to do, because there is no headlining. I did try and buy headlining that was the same colour as the seats, which is this kind of blue colour. The advert on eBay didn't quite look right, and this is what we're going to go with. I've never done it before. It'll be good practice. I can always do it again at a later date. So if you like the video, give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and I'll see you next time.